Hi viewers, welcome back to Daily Fever. In this video I am talking about cucumber water per weight loss, how to make it at home. So let's start the video. Making cucumber water at home is simple. Here is a quick recipe. Number 1. Wash a cucumber thoroughly and slice it thinly. Number 2. Fill a pitcher with cool water. Number 3. Add the cucumber slices to the water. Number 4. Optionally, you can add some fresh mint leaves or lemon slices for added flavor. Number 5. Let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour to allow the flavors to infuse. Number 6. Sit chill and enjoy. Cucumber water can be a refreshing and hydrating option, but it's not a magic solution for weight loss. It can be a part of a healthy diet and lifestyle, but it's important to focus on overall dietary habits and exercise for weight management.